Good morning, hungries. I am hungry and in pain.
There's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line, try a different lipstick.
I went to put a sock on before I put my pants on, and my nerve, my sciatic nerve on this side, yeah, not good. It was hurting me last night, but eventually it went away. But oh my god, I just bent down to put a sock on. Pain went shooting up my side. Not good. Gotta be at work here soon. My laptop was acting up. The internet was acting up, so I shut it down. It's just now getting back up, and Olive, I do believe, wants me to pick her up and put her on my lap, which I better do that before, you know, I have a spaz attack going on. Look at her and her milk on her chin. Your eyes are so clear. Did you clean your face while I was in the bathroom? Maybe. Maybe. Quite possibly, maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready for the day. It's gonna be a long one. Yoda cat. He's sleepy. I've been home for about an hour now. I think I got 2 hours before my show comes on. And I don't have to go to bed early, because I don't have to be at work early. I was supposed to originally, but things got changed. But I gotta edit things. I think this is the one I want. No, that's not the one. Damn it. I guess we can do this one. No, not that one either. I'm trying to figure out what clip I want. You know, those YouTube videos I want to watch and all these things. It's hard to figure out. It really is. Okay. Olive is sleeping on my lap. She originally did not want to sleep on my lap. She was like, I want to be here, Mom. I want to be playing. I want to be free. I want to be wild. Right. And I don't know why this didn't go to top right as well. She's like, no, Mommy, I don't want to. Take my collar off. I want to be naked and I want to wander the house like a maniac. Now she's like, okay, I'm gonna sleep. She's like, I need to grow a woman. So, I'm gonna sleep. Let's see. Sleepy kitty. Did you torture your brother today? Yes, I tortured him. He deserved it. I had every intention of talking to you guys more than what I have. I did take a break from watching YouTube. That is not why I'm not feeling well. Well, maybe it is. I don't know. Sudden headache, nausea, nasty. Watched Vampire Diaries. Almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna shower and go to bed just because I feel not too good. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you had a good day. Sorry I'm cutting this short. Just You're not gonna get much from me the rest of the night. Here, look at Ollie real quick, who's been such a patient little girl. You're on. Tell him what it's like being a kitty cat in this household.
Well, there's a black cat. She doesn't like me. And there's my brother. He wants for me. I don't know why. And, then there's Mom, and she got to kill me. Then Mom says I need to get bigger. Get bigger. Get a little chubby. Get a little chubster.
I feel woozy now.